puts the Dr. Pepper on its skin, or it gets the hose again.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I almost had it at one point.
Howdy, partners. Welcome to
Wolf Caves.
We're here at the ultimate 4x4 field trip.
And definitely had to stop at this Texas delicacy. If you know what it is, make sure you comment down below.
Wait, what is this? Why is that different? Why does it have scratches on it already? What did you do? Wait a second. This is your old buggy.
This is my old buggy.
Got a Grand Cherokee coming up here.
Get it witched up. Yeah, that steel top TV is all right. Yeah, just a little bit. I just painted it white, that's all.
Had this property in the family, you think?
Over 100 years, 1888 or so.
That's awesome. We're getting ready to start Twister. Keep it. Go slow. Go slow.
Get your finger on the camera.
Straight. A little more driver at the front. No, driver. There you go.
Yeah, under driver.
Keep coming. Straighten out the rear now. Straighten out the rear. Come back passenger at the front.
Yeah, bro.
There you go. You're okay? Keep coming. Now, okay, a little bit in, come in just a little bit. Stop right there, put it in front only. Come forward at the front. Turn that way as you're coming up, if you can. It's climbing, it's climbing. Whoa, there you go, 4. Keep it this way.
You're not expecting that one, right?
Okay, keep coming a little bit, just like you got it. Easy, now this way, the front. Walk your rear that way some. There you go. Keep your front my way. Looks like you got it. Okay, stop right there. Rear driver. There you go. Keep it my way. Straighten out. Walk her out. Straighten out your rear.
That's a nice spot, bro.
Good spotting, dude. Holy
What's this area named after? You?
Finley?
Yeah, is this your playground?
Yes.
Is this Finley's playground?
Yes.
That's pretty awesome.
But I was afraid I was gonna fall too far in that big hole, and I was trying to move over, and that's when I fell down in it like this, and then I couldn't get it back like I had it. I kept trying, and I couldn't get it back like I had it.
So funny thing, down here it's hot, but it's a dry heat. And I'm doing good, and Matt's dying. Usually I'm the one that's dying.
Hot is hot.
No,
matter if
humidity
it's
makes it
dry
hot.
or
Humidity.
wet or what?
Yeah,
Hot is hot.
when I'm in humidity, I die. Even when we were in PA that day, at the ultimate 4x4 field trip up in Pennsylvania, and it was 50 degrees or something up on that mountain, but it was humid, and I was still sweating to death, and I was like, see, it's humidity that kills me, but he just thought I was just being a wuss. Now we know. One of the coolest things about this park is that if you have the Onyx app, they have this thing mapped out legit. So if you're here, make sure you use their stuff and check out this park, because this park is rad. You guys need to check this place out. Wolf Caves is awesome. All this is just crazy rock crawling. And all levels rock crawling. If you ever get lost, you see that flag way out there. That's Flag Hill. You just gotta look for the Texas flag. You know where you're at. There you go. Just keep it passenger. You're gonna shark fin it a little bit. Go. It's coming down now. There you go. This ZJ is sick. It's cool looking, isn't it? There you go. Oh, so close.
That's an unsafe driving position. What's your diagnosis, Doc?
We got some loose upper link mounts.
It is very pretty out here. It feels like an African safari.
A lot easier without all these rocks.
Got that right. So, you having a good time out here this weekend?
Absolutely. This is
You're not needing to
blast.
concentrate on anything, are you, right now?
Not hardly.
Repeat this phrase. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Oh, wow. He got it. Okay, pop quiz. How many flags have there been flown over the state of Texas?
I don't know. 3. I live here. I don't know.
6 flags over Texas.
Well, why didn't I think of that? I've only been there 100 times.
Yes, sir. It's a spelling test. You get a spelling?
Somewhat.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I ain't even gonna try to spell that.
Try it. SUPERCALAFRAGILISTICXPALADOCHES.
That's a good one.
Keep going with it. Oh yeah. Now you're really
this obstacle called? Do we know?
This is called Whiskey.
The trail's called Whiskey Warrior.
So the whole trail is named the same thing. They don't name the obstacles separately. It's just the Whiskey Warrior Trail.
Just the Whiskey
Should we
Warrior.
name it something?
We should name this.
Okay. Irish. This is the Irish whiskey.
Look out for the leprechaun. Jameson on the rocks. I love rocks, and rocks love me.
Just like that.
Look at this. Josh has no idea what he's doing here. He's all over the road. Woohoo!
Hey guys, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check these out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification.